What's up everybody? Josh, starterraingutterbusiness.com. Today we're putting on some small ring diverters on the roof. Show you what they're for and how to do it. Let's get going. All right, so what we have here is this small piece of roof that they don't want a rain gutter down below. So we're just gonna divert this small section of roof, as much as we can of it, onto this lower roof that does have a rain gutter. So we have some matching metal here. I just bent this out of rain gutter material, and we're just gonna kind of basically put this on the roof in the shingles and tip it. So this water that comes down this outer eyebrow goes to the rain diverter and then drains onto the roof with the rain gutter. All right, so I'm gonna go pretty close to flush with the edge of the roof, and then I want it to, this is a steel roof down here, corrugated roof. So we're gonna run it into the first few bays in. We'll go, we'll probably do like 1.5 feet. So we'll cut that piece. And unfortunately the inside of this metal is pretty bright green. So we're gonna put it in and see how it looks once it's done. If I need to, I can just put a little touch-up paint on the inside there, or you can pick a piece of metal with a little better color. But for the most part, you're just gonna see this black from the ground. It'll be kind of slid in the shingles like this. So we will hop up here and see how stuck these shingles down. They make a little, like a spatula tool for doing this that works pretty good. I don't have one with me up here, but you just have to be really careful with these shingles. You don't want to pop through them or anything. You're kind of trying to loosen the glue up. So I got that shingle loosened up. You want to make sure not to tear the shingle at all. You're just kind of sliding in between the two layers of shingle. They're not nailed together. They have that glue or tar in between them that sets each layer onto one another. So you kind of loosen that up. And then just to make this look a little nicer, I'll just put some bevels on the corners here. And then, so I have like a 4-inch leg here and then a 2-inch leg. So what I'm gonna do is just slide that 4-inch leg underneath. I'm gonna go pretty much, maybe just a touch in from the edge of the roof, slide it under that shingle, and then have it drop a little bit just so that water hits this and then flows down and out of this onto this lower roof. Okay, so I just got kind of a small bead on the top edge, up a little higher, and then about in the center of the back, like the bottom. So now that glue is in, I'll kind of lift that shingle up, get it into place, set it down on there. And what you'll want to do is kind of get it in place and then slightly raise the shingle again and you'll see the nails on the bottom shingle, and you'll put 2 nails, roofing nails, in under this top shingle to hold this flashing to the lower shingle. And then it'll be set and ready to go. So I don't think you'll see this inside color from anywhere on the ground, so I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. Done deal. So there you have it, rainwater diverter. Pretty simple install. It's a pretty clean way to get rid of that water just from a little eyebrow on a roof that somebody doesn't necessarily want to put a full rain gutter and downspout on that spot. So they work good, simple to install. Hope you guys learned something today. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.